Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Thought I'd take you along with me. Let's get a vaccine. This whole process was actually really quick. I signed up online for getting a vaccine, and truly the next day they emailed and called me and said, we have your appointment scheduled 9:30 a.m. Thursday, and there was some paperwork that we did online. Vaccines are a choice, and I really hope that everyone gets one soon. Even if you have had COVID, it's recommended that you get a vaccine. It's kind of like, influenza, it's a common flu, and it comes back every year. And we're not immune to this for the rest of our lives. Even if you develop antibodies, you really need to get another vaccine to stop the flu. I believe that COVID-19 is an influenza much worse than a regular flu. So even if you have had COVID and you've got antibodies, you really should get a booster. That's basically what we're talking about. All across the country, there's sites set up like this. I'm here in Florida. They told me it was a drive-through, which I thought was really interesting, and it is a drive-through, but I really thought we were going to get a shot, right there in the car, in the van. You're going to be a nurse and they're going to shoot you up and you'll be done. But it's a little bit more complicated than that. But take a look, really simple, watch.
Charles?
Yes, sir.
All right, do you have a clipboard yet?
A clipboard?
Yeah.
No.
All right, here you go. Just follow that truck all the way down. They're gonna let you know where to park over there, all right?
Okay, do I need to go inside or?
Yeah, after you're done, but they'll let you know, so go ahead, all right?
So like I said, I thought it was just, a drive-through. We're going to get a shot while you're in the car. But actually, you have to go get in line, and it's quick. It's really quick, but you got to get in line and then you'll be able to get your shot. So like everyone else, you fill out your form there while you're in line, and you can see the nurses are there to help you. If you have any problem, they can help you figure that out. Next, you go ahead and go inside, and there's a few booths that are set up for getting your vaccine, and I'm next. Let's take a look. Too quick?
Well, obviously they do not send
It's
them
like
back.
a regular vaccine, right?
You're done.
Oh. Thank you. So we just got that shot, our first shot. They give you a little pin. Can you see that? They give you a little pin. Got your COVID shot. And now we just wait 15 minutes. And if there's any reaction, of course, you tell one of the people here, and they give you the shot of the epinephrine. Should be okay. We'll see how it goes. But funny, somebody recognized me, even with a mask on. They recognized me. Hey, are you Chuck with Apple Drains? And I got a little piece of that footage. Air National Guard people. Everybody watches these videos. It just amazes me. It just amazes me.
Apple Drains, good YouTube channel.
Thanks. So I gave the airman one of our hats, and he really liked that. I wish I had hats to give out to everybody. That would just be so cool. Just sign them and fill it out and give them away. So you can kind of see the line. It's pretty long. It extends out and around the road, and it's the Air National Guard that is here. Basically, when you pull into the drive-thru, they're gonna just ask your name, check your appointment time, and give you a clipboard to fill out. And once you fill that out, you'll go in another line. A nurse checks that over, asks you the same questions again and again, and then you sit down, and where the nurse gives you the shot, it's still the same questions over and over again. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day. Don't forget about Live Help, the free group chat, video chat, this Saturday at 9 a.m., March 27th, 2021. Assuming I don't have any symptoms and get sick, I don't think that's going to happen. So look for that group chat Saturday morning, 9 a.m.